Most people are broke, not because they earn less, but because they never track where money goes. A simple monthly budget can change that. It gives every dollar a purpose and a plan. Don't worry, budgeting is not complicated. Anyone can do it, starting today with zero experience. Step 1. Know your total monthly income. This is all money coming in every single month. Include your salary, side hustle income, and any other regular payments you receive monthly. Write this number down clearly. This is your budget starting point, your total monthly income. Step 2. List all your fixed expenses. These are bills that stay the same every single month. Fixed expenses include rent, car payments, insurance, and subscription services you pay monthly. Add them all up and subtract that total from your income. See what is left over each month. What remains after fixed bills is money you can control. This is where your budget power begins. Step 3. List your variable expenses. These change monthly, but you can control them easily. Variable expenses include groceries, dining out, entertainment, and personal care spending. Look at your last 30 days of spending to estimate how much you normally spend in each category. Be honest with yourself here. Most people underestimate how much they spend on small things daily. Write down a realistic spending limit for each variable category. This is called setting a budget cap. A helpful rule is the 50-30-20 method. 50% needs, 30 wants, 20 savings. Needs are things you must pay, like rent and food. Wants are extras, like dining out or streaming. The 20% savings portion is the most important part of your entire monthly budget plan. Even saving $50 a month builds a habit. Small, consistent savings beat large, one-time efforts. You now have income listed, fixed expenses noted, and variable categories capped. Great progress so far. Step 4. Track your spending throughout the month. Budgeting only works if you follow through. Every time you spend money, record it immediately. Do not wait. Small amounts add up fast. You can use a free app, a simple spreadsheet, or even a plain notebook to track your spending. Popular free apps like Mint or YNAB make expense tracking simple, even for complete beginners today. Check your budget at least once a week. This keeps you aware and stops overspending before it happens. If you overspend in one category, adjust another. Budgets are flexible tools, not strict punishments. For example, if you overspend on food, reduce entertainment that month to stay within your total budget. This is called a budget transfer, and it is completely normal. Flexibility keeps your budget working all month. Never borrow from your savings category. Protect that 20% no matter what happens monthly. Tracking spending is the engine of your budget. Without it, even the best plan falls apart quickly. Step 5. Review your budget at the end of every month. This is where real progress gets revealed. Compare what you plan to spend with what you actually spent. Look at every single category carefully. Celebrate the wins. If you stayed under budget in any category, that is real financial progress made. Look honestly at categories where you overspent. Ask yourself why, and plan better for next month. Maybe dining out cost more than expected. Next month, reduce that cap or cook at home more often. Your monthly review also shows you if your income changed or if any new expenses appeared unexpectedly. Update your next month budget based on what you learned. Each month, your budget gets smarter and better. Over time, your budget becomes a powerful habit. You stop wondering where money went. You will know exactly. People who budget consistently build emergency funds, pay off debt faster, and reach financial goals sooner. Budgeting is not about restricting your life. It is about giving yourself the freedom to spend without guilt. Let us quickly recap everything you have learned so you can start your first budget right after this. Step 1. Calculate your total monthly income. Know exactly how much money comes in each month. Step 2. List all fixed expenses, rent, car payments, insurance, everything that never changes monthly. Step 3. Set caps for variable expenses. Control groceries, dining, and entertainment spending each month. Step 4. Track every single purchase. Record spending daily, so nothing slips through unnoticed each month. Step 5. Review your budget monthly. Learn from it, adjust it, and make next month even stronger always. These 5 steps are all you need to build a solid monthly budget and take full control of your money. Thousands of people changed their financial life simply by starting a budget. You can do this too, today. Budgeting is the first step to financial freedom. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. Like this video, save it for later, and follow for more simple money tips every single week. Start now.